Here are some healthy and delicious snack ideas for kids. 1. Yogurt, a great source of protein and calcium. Opt for plain yogurt and add fresh fruit or a drizzle of honey for sweetness. To popcorn, a whole grain treat. Air pop it and add a little butter or Parmesan cheese. 3. Trail mix, combine nuts, seeds, and dried fruit for a nutritious and portable snack. 4. Cottage cheese, pair with fresh fruit or veggies for a versatile snack. 5. Oatmeal, rich in fiber and can be topped with fruits or nuts. 6. Pickles, a crunchy snack that provides probiotics. 7. Celery with peanut butter and raisins, also known as ants on a log. This snack is fun and nutritious. 8. Nuts, packed with healthy fats and antioxidants. 9. Sliced pears with ricotta cheese, a sweet and creamy combination. 10. Cheese, a simple and satisfying snack. 11. Veggie pita pocket, fill a pita with hummus and fresh veggies. 12. Fruit smoothie, blend fruits with yogurt or milk for a refreshing drink. 13. Hard-boiled eggs, a good source of protein and choline. 14. Banana oat cookies, healthy and tasty. 15. Raisin snack packs, easy and full of iron and antioxidants. 16. Turkey and avocado roll-up, protein and healthy fats in a fun roll-up. 17. Baked sweet potato fries, a nutritious alternative to regular fries. 18. Kale chips, a crunchy superfood snack. 19. Carrot sticks and hummus, a classic and healthy combo. 20. Energy balls, wholesome and easy to make. 21. Bell peppers and guacamole, colorful and creamy. 22. Whole grain crackers and nut butter, crunchy and nutty. 23. Peanut butter and banana quesadilla, warm and gooey. 24. Olives, full of healthy fats and antioxidants. 25. Apples and peanut butter dip, a fiber and protein-rich snack. 26. Frozen fruit popsicles, refreshing and natural. 27. Half of a sandwich, a mini meal that's easy to prepare. Do any of these sound like something your kids would enjoy?